Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the BytecRAM 8GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC SODIMM memory module, model number M474A1K43BB1CD. If you're looking to breathe new life into a laptop or small form factor PC, this could be a worthwhile upgrade. This particular module boasts a speed of 2666 MHz, which is a solid sweet spot for DDR4 memory. It strikes a good balance between performance and affordability. The 8GB capacity is sufficient for everyday tasks, moderate multitasking, and even some light gaming. Of course, if you're a heavy gamer or video editor, you might want to consider a larger capacity, but for general use, 8GB is often plenty. One of the key features of this BytecRAM module is that it's ECC, or Error Correcting Code, memory. ECC memory is designed to detect and correct common types of internal data corruption. This is especially important for systems where data integrity is paramount, such as servers or workstations running critical applications. While not strictly necessary for home users, ECC memory can provide an extra layer of stability and reliability. BytecRAM advertises seamless integration with both Intel and AMD systems that support this generation of DDR4 RAM. Installation is straightforward, as it's a standard SODIMM module. Simply locate the memory slots in your laptop or compatible device, and gently push the module into place until it clicks. No complicated software or BIOS settings are typically required. The module offers a noticeable improvement in system responsiveness, especially if you're upgrading from a smaller capacity or slower speed RAM. Applications load faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and overall system performance feels more fluid. While this BytecRAM module might not be the flashiest or most high-end memory on the market, it offers a compelling combination of speed, capacity, ECC functionality, and ease of installation. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to boost the performance of your compatible system, the BytecRAM 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz ECC SODIMM is definitely worth considering. It's a solid, dependable upgrade that can make a real difference in your everyday computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.